Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize our customer concern assistant when creating appointments directly inside of Tekmetric. The first thing that I'm going to do is make a new appointment, and I'm going to make this for Nate's 2011 Jetta. And once I go ahead and create the appointment and click continue, you'll notice that the Detect Auto customer concern assistant automatically opens up on the side of the page. And so if I wanted to enter in the purpose of visit, why my customer's coming in today, let's say they're coming in with a complaint that car is leaking. If I wanted to prompt my service advisor to ask better follow-up questions for what's going on here, I could simply click on this generate questions button, and what that will do is it'll generate a bunch of AI-driven questions that we've identified as being helpful to understand what's really going on with that customer's vehicle. I'll just answer the first couple ones here. We'll say it's in the front of the car. We're noticing that the color of the fluid is red and it's happening constantly. We can go ahead and provide more information if we wanted to. We can even dig deeper if we notice that a specific information that the customer gave us is insightful. Or we could simply say, we're good, we have enough information, and we can go ahead and click on Insert Summary. Once we do that, this will provide a short and concise description of all the information that our customer had entered in for us. And now we'll have enough information so when this ticket reaches the technician, they'll have a really good understanding of what's happening with the car. Hope this helps, and if you have any future questions or improvements for how this tool could be used in your shop, let us know. Thanks.